A tornado is a violently rotating column of air that extends from a thunderstorm to the ground. It's often portended by a dark, greenish sky. Black storm clouds gather. Baseball-sized hail may fall. A funnel suddenly appears as though descending from a cloud. The funnel hits the ground and roars forward with a sound like that of a freight train approaching. The tornado tears up everything in its path. Every U.S. state has experienced twisters, but Texas holds the record, an annual average of 120. Tornadoes have been reported in Great Britain, India, Argentina, and other countries, but they are most often seen in the United States. Tornadoes develop extremely rapidly and may dissipate just as quickly. Most tornadoes are on the ground for less than 15 minutes. To find out all types of tornadoes in detail, make sure to stick through the end of the video. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay in touch with the latest content from our channel. With that being said, let's start with types of tornadoes. Tornadoes are one of Mother Nature's most destructive forces and can come in all shapes and sizes. While each tornado is unique, there are similarities that can allow tornadoes to be categorized by size, appearance, and how they form. Rope tornadoes. Rope tornadoes are some of the smallest and most common types of tornadoes, getting their name from their rope-like appearance. Most tornadoes begin and end their life cycle as a rope tornado before growing into a larger twister or dissipating into thin air. However, some may last for only a few brief minutes, retaining their rope-like appearance the entire time that they are in contact with the ground. Despite their small size, they can still be dangerous to those in their path. Although rope tornadoes may look weaker than much larger ones, some get more intense as they narrow and tighten. Storm Prediction Center said, cone tornadoes. When people think of a tornado rolling across the plains in the central United States, a cone tornado is often what comes to mind. Cone tornadoes, similar to rope tornadoes, get their name from their shape. They are narrower where they touch the ground than where they meet the base of the associated thunderstorm. These are generally more dangerous than rope tornadoes as their paths tend to be wider and they can leave a larger trail of damage. Wedge tornadoes. Some of the largest and most destructive tornadoes in history fall in the category of wedge tornadoes. Wedge tornadoes can appear wider than they are tall, and they can leave behind a large trail of destruction in their wake. AccuWeather senior meteorologist Guy Pearson said, with a wedge tornado, you're talking a half-mile wide or greater, and for anything in the path of a wedge tornado, there's going to be some type of damage. Wedges are usually major tornadoes, meaning that they are given the rating of an EF3 or higher, Pearson said. Fire tornadoes. Fire tornadoes are rare atmospheric tornado events. They are also referred to as pyrogenic tornadoes, which refers to the way in which they are formed with a tornado-strength vortex, much like a traditional tornado. Fire tornadoes are vortices of flame and ash formed through extreme heat, turbulent winds, and uneven terrain. Multi-vortex and satellite tornadoes. Supercell thunderstorms are organized storms that have a strong circulation. This circulation is what helps lead to the formation of a tornado. Multi-vortex means that you have at least two, if not more, little areas that are swirling around the main parent circulation. Basically, are just little rope tornadoes themselves that do additional damage, while multi-vortex tornadoes have small ropes spinning around them. In extreme cases, a storm can produce two tornadoes spinning independently of each other. Landspouts. Landspouts tend to be very weak and short-lived, lasting for only a few minutes. A landspout generally lasts for less than 15 minutes. However, they can be strong enough to cause some damage. They are typically narrow, rope-like condensation funnels that form while the thunderstorm cloud is still growing and there is no rotating updraft. Landspouts are considered tornadoes since a rapidly rotating column of air is in contact with both the surface and a cumuliform cloud. Not all landspouts are visible, and many are first sighted as debris swirling at the surface before eventually filling in with condensation and dust. Waterspouts. Waterspouts are similar to tornadoes over water. A waterspout descends from a cumulus cloud. The water inside a waterspout is formed by condensation in the cloud. There are two major types of waterspouts: tornadic waterspouts and fair weather waterspouts. Tornadic waterspouts get their start as true tornadoes. Influenced by winds associated with severe thunderstorms, air rises and rotates on a vertical axis. Tornadic waterspouts are the most powerful and destructive type of waterspout. Fair weather waterspouts are rarely dangerous. Fair weather waterspouts are associated with developing storm systems, but not storms themselves. This is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming related videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.